Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. Before we going into the video, I recommend everyone to click the subscribe channel and click the near bell button also. Today course is a very good vocabulary, make a sentence very good meaningful. Yes, if you use a very good vocabulary in your sentence, it will give a appropriate and very good meaningful of that particular sentence. So it will give a additional beautiful and additional good exact meaning of that particular sentence. So now we go to a new vocabulary sentence. Today we are going to see. It's already searched in.
Ablution. Ablution.
Ablution. Ablution, it means act an act of washing oneself. That is
Ablution.
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 So in Tamil we can say unj. So ablution we can say in Tamil சடங்கோடு கூடிய நீரோட்டம். So the acting of the washing oneself, that is in sentence we can say that the woman performs their ablution. So
Ablution.
some cultural related things. And next is next word we are going to see
Abolish. Abolish.
abolish. Now we can know
Abolish.
abolish. In Tamil we can say olukam. So in abolish, what's the meaning? Meaning is formally put an end to. The tax was abolished in 1977. That is, some things we are putting end. In that time, we can say abolish. In Tamil, we can say olikam. Olikam. Olikam is olikap. Olithukatte. Yes, you can see olithukatte. So that is the meaning of abolish. And third sentence we're going to see is
Accolade. Accolade.
accolade. What is maybe accolade in Tamil? சுற்றிலும் போடப்பட்டுள்ள accolade பட்டத்திற்கு. So something's we reward. It's a reward or privilege granted as special honor or acknowledgement of merit. Something which you are getting a acknowledgement or something award from others, that things we can use this vocabulary as accolade. The hotel has won a numerous accolades. It means they have won
Accolade.
lot of awards. So next we can see
Accomplice. Accomplice.
accomplice. The person who help another commit of criminal. So it's in Tamil we can say குற்றம் செயலுக்கு துணை இருப்பவர். So accomplice is a word which is used for the person who help another commit of a criminal. So someone is doing the crime or criminal activities, that times someone was helping, that means accomplice.
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 accomplice,
You are accomplice for this murder. That is an accomplice in the murder. So this is how this that thing you can use this vocabulary. And
accost,
next, accost.
accost,
And approach and addressed boldly or aggressively. The reporters accosted him in the street. So something which is
accost,
aggressive, that is accost. Actually, in Tamil we can say anugi arai.
accost,
Cast.
அணுகி
So something which is very aggressive, that is accost. So where and all we can use that accost, actually something somewhere where you need to be very aggressive, where you are very boldly, and you can see you can say like Gandhi ji accost the uh, British for the freedom. Accost means aggressively Gandhi aggressively fight for the freedom. Is something which we are doing aggressively. Okay. And next word is
accredit, accredit,
accredit. Accredit, you can say some things which you are getting,
accredit,
something which you are getting appraisal from some person. In words, you can say he is credited with being one of the world fastest sprinter. So if someone is telling that telling your goodness, you are credited to be a brand ambassador for the India, like that. It's some credit, some privileges giving to someone. That is in Tamil you can say sandadal order, some privileges. That is the main actually. So next was
accrete,
accrete. Accrete means grown by accumulation or coalescence. Ice is adding the accumulated geographically into salinity.
accrete, accrete,
A collection of what he had accumulated to was to be the sold by gradually accumulated. See, something which is how can you say
accrete,
is for this meaning for the situation, something uh, accumulation, that is uh, grow by slowly. It will not be a random how the ice is melting slowly into water, like that. It's
accrete,
accumulate. In Tamil we can say
திரட்டி திரட்டி
Niratich. So next word is we are going to see is
acerbic,
Asabak. Asabak is something like
acerbic,
uh, sharp and forthright, actually something uh, stylish of speaking, especially of comments or style of speaking, we can say
acerbic,
acerbic. Someone is speaking very stylily, then we can say he is very acerbic. And Tamil
கசப்பான
bitter things, actually kasapana, which is not acceptable, that's why. So next verse we're going to see is
acme,
me. Acme. Acme is a point which some things is at the best or most highly developed. Some in everyone's life, some period will be a peak period of every peak period of everyone lifestyle. Like in the flow of life, we will reach at one point as very peak, that is acme. That is called acme. That is
Acme.
called the peak point of that uಚ್ಚಕಟ್ಟமாக. So the last word we are going to see.
Acquaint.
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 தெரியப்படுத்த. See, something which you are telling to something, make someone awareness or familiar with. So we want to make something awareness to, you are telling to something to someone to make awareness, that is called
Acquaint.
acquaint. In Tamil also we can say தெரிவிக்கப்படுத்த, தெரிவி தெரியப்படுத்த. So this is the 10 new vocabulary today we are saw. Hope I understand. Hope that you are daily practicing this vocabulary in your communication. Writing the emails also you can use it. If you want to tell something to someone, frame your words, frame a sentence with these words, so that this vocabulary words will be remain for you forever, so that it will be very very useful, and it make you a more standard. So keep on practice is a make a will be only a way to make a man perfect. I hope everybody will know hard work is the only way to reach the success. So make your time and give your effort. Definitely the time will come turn to you. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. Have a good day. We will meet in next video. Bye. See you.